Today I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can create your first React app. So let's start. So the requirements that you probably need is you need to install Node.js, and also you need one IDE, and I think the mostly people use, and I mean the developers mostly use today is Visual Studio Code. So I prefer you guys to install Visual Studio Code, and then you need npm. When you are going to install Node.js, you will probably get a different version of npm, but there are some problems in npm version 5.x, so you need to have version 4.6.1 in order to create your first React app. So in order to install Node.js, what you need to do is go to the Google and search Node.js and try to install. I can show you how you guys can install Node.js. So just go to the Google and then type Node.js, and then here you can get an option download, and then here you can get the option. If you have a Mac operating system, then you need to install this dot package Mac OS 64-bit, and if you have a Windows, then you need to select if you have a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Whatever operating system do you have, you need to select the option and you can install it in your machine, and it is easy to install. So I'm not going to show you the installation process, but I can show you how you can check whether the Node.js is installed in your operating system or not. So what you can do is you can go to the terminal and just type node -v in order to check if you have completely installed the Node.js. So this is how you can check whether the Node.js is installed in your machine or not. So after that, for npm is also installed now. But if you have an npm version 5.6, then you will be probably getting problems when you will going to create the React app. So I can give you one advice that just go to the terminal and check the npm version, and if you have a version more than 4.6.1, then you need to install npm version first, and that one is 4.6.1, and then you can create the React app. So for that, just go to the terminal. I can show you. So just go to the terminal and first check what version you have of npm. As I have 4.6.1 version, you most probably will be having a different version. So what you can do is you need to install npm version 4.6.1. So this is how you can install npm version 4.6.1. I already have installed, so you just need to add this command and it will automatically install the npm version 4.6.1. So after installation, you can again check the version of the npm. If you have 4.6.1, then you are all set. You can create your React app. So after doing this process, then you can finally create your React app. So for the command that you need to create React app is npx create React app and the name of your app that you want to create. So what you need to do first is you can first create a folder. For example, look at this. I have this first app folder here on my desktop. So what you can do is you can just go to the terminal, and then what you can do here, I can show you. So you can go wherever you want to create your folder. It's up to you, as I have created on my desktop. So you can go to the desktop and then you can go to that folder. If you don't know what is the name of that folder, just type ls. It will show whatever folders you have in, I mean, on your desktop, sorry. And then you can go to the first app folder, and here what you can do is you can add this command npx create React app and the name of that, and the name of your app that you want to create. So for example, if I want to create my first React app, and I want to give the name first app, and then, oh sorry, I need to go to that folder. I mean, I am in that folder. Okay, so what you can do is just go to the desktop and then go to that folder first app, and then again you can enter this command. I can just make sure that I am writing the right command. Okay, first step. All right. Okay, sorry, I am doing one mistake. I have to add e. I'm sorry, my bad. All right, now it will work for sure. So this is how you can create your first React app. It will take some time. Most probably it will take around 1 or 2 minutes. So I mean, I saw that there were so many different problems when you are, dealing with React app, when you are working on React, application. So if you are having like a npm version 5 point something, then you will mostly get so many problems. So that's why I thought that I should, upload a video and try to show you guys how you guys can create your first React app. So after this process will be done, then you can what you can do is you can install the Visual Studio Code. I mean, whatever you want to install. I mean, you have option like a Sublime, you have Atom, you have brackets, and on Windows you can have Notepad++. But if you are dealing if you have a Mac operating system, then I can prefer you just try to install Visual Studio Code. So for that, I mean, it will take some time. I can show you how you can install the Visual Studio Code. So just go to the Google and then enter Visual Studio Code. Then here you can download the Visual Studio Code. If you are on Mac, you need to just click on this option. It will automatically install the Visual Studio Code on your operating system. And then if you are on Windows, then you need to select what operating system you have. If you have a 64-bit or whether you have a 32-bit. So this is also an easy, way to install. I already have installed the Visual Studio Code. I can show you how this one looks like. So when you are going to install, this one is the welcome page. You will see where you can learn different, about this Visual Studio. You can customize the tool languages. You can, provide the different, theme color if you want to. And then here you can open the folder. You can add the new file. I'm going to show you first. you know let's see the app is created or not. Here you can see that the app is finally created. So what you can do is, you can provide, it will also like provide you the options, like in order to start your application. Like first application, you need to add this command npm start. So right now I am in this folder first app. So for example, if I'm going to add this command, I can get errors probably because I need to go to the folder that I have created when I was creating the app. So I if you are not sure what folder you have, just create ls. It will show you the folder. So you need to first go to the first app folder, and then here you can add this command npm start in order to start your first app. So it will start your first app. So I am already running the different application like a projects on this port. I am running 3000, a different application on a port number 3000. So I want to run this application on a different port number. So if you add yes, it will provide you the different port number. So I think it will run. You can see here, this is the port number it provides you. So just copy this code and then go to this. You can see that if you didn't get this page, then you can just copy the way I copy this whole thing. You just need to copy this whole thing and just enter over here. It will give you this page. So this is the welcome page. If you get this page, it means you are all set. If you didn't get this page, then try to add a comment and try to provide me the problem that you are having. I will try to give you the answer, and I will try to solve your problem if I can. So this is how you can get this page. Okay, and then what you can do is, if you install the Visual Studio, you can open the folder from here. So you can see here I have first app folder, first app, and then just press in, open. It will open the folder first app, and here you can see all the files that you have, like this one package.json. You can see the starting point. You can see all the dependencies that you have. So I think that's all for today. That's all I have to show you. If you have any questions or anything, then try to uh, put a comment and I will try to solve your problems. And I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will try to upload some more videos on so many different problems that I think I should, add a video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. Until that, bye.